Hello, I hope you're having a great day. So today I kind of took the day off. I'm going to give you some footage of the farmer's market, and then I will give you the order that the bouquets sold in. Hello, I'm all set up and ready to go at the farmer's market today. My table is full of flowers and I'm ready to go. Hopefully it's a good day. Here is the setup this week.
It's a little chilly, but it feels good. That's how you know when it's all like that fish. I can't wait.
So the bouquets, I thought my favorite was number 1 this week. I think I commented on some of your comments that I like number 1. But after looking back through them, I realized that number 3 was actually my favorite. And that was the one that my dad had picked out at the farmer's market. So the very first one to go was number 3. 3. And then number 1. 1. Number 6. 6. Number 2. 2. And number 5. 5. And then unfortunately, it was kind of a rough day. So the wind really picked up. And I don't know what happened. Like the wind direction changed. I had all of my vases and stuff stacked and the wind was blowing like at us. And all of a sudden a huge wind gust came from behind and it just blew everything off my table. It was a nightmare. Like people got their feet wet, like my vases went all over them. And I was just like, oh my gosh. But I had brought water. So I picked them up and threw away any broken nicks and kind of put the flowers back in and put them in water. And I tried to tighten them up and just make them a lot tighter. And then, I don't know, probably 45 minutes later, they blew off again. And it was afternoon already. And I was just like, you know what? It just wasn't a good day. Like sometimes you just have days that aren't the best. And yesterday was not my day. I did sell 5 of the big bouquets, which is good. That's all I used to take last year. So, but I was really sad to see those other 2. I did go ahead and put them in vases in my house so I could enjoy them. A lot of my $10 bouquets didn't go, and then 7 of my $5 bouquets went. I think maybe 2 or 3 $10. So it wasn't the best day. It kind of had me discouraged, and it made me kind of just sit back today and say, you know what, I think I need a day off. Like, I'm just not going to go to the farm today. I have a lot to do tomorrow. I have to go pick up the vases from the coffee shop, put together all 11 of those mini bouquets, and then I have an order for a florist. So I'll need to do a lot of harvesting in the morning, putting those vases together, and that's okay. I'm going to just wait and do all of that tomorrow morning, and I'm just going to give myself a break today. But here are some pictures of the vases I put together in my house and maybe some pictures of flowers. And anybody that picked number 3, that was the first one to go this week. Those yellow and white ones, everybody talked about them. The order that they sold was 3, 1, and 6, but both the 3, they really said they liked the yellow and white one too, and so did the 1. So that yellow and white one was in contention. Like they were both they were both comparing them to the yellow and white one to decide which one they wanted to buy. And then as soon as those two were out of the way, the yellow and white one was the next to go. So I thought that was interesting. That was a good idea. So thank you for putting that out there. I appreciate it. Tomorrow should be a fun-filled day of flowers, harvesting, and deliveries. So I'll take a lot of pictures and give you an update tomorrow. I hope everybody has a great day.